Are you tired of having a plain, boring, simple background and it's preventing you from getting on YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you how to create a free, fun, colorful, and inviting background for free. Now take a look. So the first thing you want to do is go over to Pixabay so you can choose your background. Type in cute background. Then select photos on your right. Okay, so you get all these cute bedroom photos. Now pay attention to certain ones on here because these up here are not free. So you want to make sure you're selecting the free ones. So scroll down till you find the one bedroom that you like. Okay, so this is cute to me. This is a cute background. So once you select the one that you like, you will right click it, click copy image, and then go to canva.com. Hopefully everyone has a free Canva account because this is where we're going to create our background. Once that's pulled up, you're going to go to video, then you're going to go down to create a blank video. Okay, so once that's pulled up, you're going to go to uploads on your left. Select videos, because remember we're trying to change the background in our videos. Okay, so this is something that I uploaded recently. Click on it, put it on your canvas, make sure you even it correctly, and then you're going to hit the background remover. You might have to wait a few minutes. Well, not a few minutes. It might take up to 1 minute to remove your background, depending on your internet connection. But once it's done, this is what you have. The next thing you would do is right-click the canvas. Once you do that, you select paste. And that's going to put our bedroom that we chose from Pixabay on there. The next thing you would do, click on it, scroll all the way down to set as image. Okay, so now we have replaced our background image with something more inviting. Okay, so guys, you can modify where you want your video to be on the screen. Just play around with it. This is your duration area, so let's play to see how it looks. Okay, so I think it looks pretty good. If you want to move it to the right, you can do that as well. Let's try what it looks like to the right of the canvas. Oh, wait. Okay, see, you see that area right there? So I don't like that, so I'm not gonna, I wouldn't put it right there. I'm just gonna keep it in the middle. So guys, like I say, you just have to play around with it to see how you like it. And once you approve of it, you would go up here to the share button on the right corner and select the download button and make sure it says MP4 video and select download. So guys, that is it. You will have to just wait a few seconds or up to a minute, depending on your internet connection. And once it's done, you're good to go. So let's say that you want to select a video for Canva for a background image, okay? So what you would do is go to Elements, type in whatever, whatever you want to change. I'm going to put in mine, kids running, okay? Make sure it's on the video, because we're, after all, talking about replacing your background video with something better. Okay, so I like this one right here. So put it on your canvas. Make sure you modify it right to the canvas. Then you're going to hit remove background. Okay, then you're going to go to Pixabay, and let's type in park. And again, make sure you choose the images that are free. Let's find something cute. Well, actually, I like this one right here. So what you want to do is right click with your mouse, copy image, go back to canva.com, right click and paste your image on there from Pixabay. The next thing you're going to do is right click again, scroll all the way down, set as image. So that looks really cute. Let's play it. Okay, so you might have to modify it some. The kids are playing. Let's see. So guys, that's really cute to me. So since that's really cute to me, I'm going to go ahead and hit share. Select download. Click download. And there you have it, guys. So that's it, guys. Now that you know how to create a fun, colorful, inviting background, now you can start their YouTube channel. Go create, record, upload, post, and be great. Until the next video, this is Darlett.